Today in this quick video, I'm about to show you guys how you can find an Instagram template quickly. So first open up the Instagram and hit on this plus icon and then swipe and choose the reel option like that. And here is the template for you. As you guys can see right here, that's a template button for you. So just tap there. And it's divided by two parts, like recommended for you and one is like trending. So you can choose whatever you wanted to, but you will need to swipe from left to right like that. All right, just like that. So choose one template from here. Let me find some template right here. Let's say this one. And here you can see you can replace clips with your own, and it's providing me like 4 clips to be replaced. So you can add media. So let me choose some media from here. All right, so let me choose this one, and this one, and this, and just tapping on next. So you can see that it's working just perfectly fine. All right, so once you guys are happy with this result or this template, hit on next. And you can also play with some settings, like you can text this out, or you can also add some filters you wanted to. You can just play with these settings as well. Okay, just play with it. And if you wanted to change the sound, then you can also change the sound from here as well. It requires some music, so you can see that it's like a video editor timeline from Instagram itself. I can't play music here because of copyright issue. So I'm happy with this. So I'm just going to click on next and click on OK. So now you can caption it out this reel and then simply publish to this web or share this to the web. And it's that simple, guys. So this is how you can use or find template of Instagram and share with your audience. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.